Good morning all. Welcome to Sakal Vidya YouTube channel. Okay, still joining Lokesh, Gopalam Sri, Narla Venkateshwarlu, Janavi, Sreyana Rachakonda, Lakshmi Priya, Swati Singh, Chandana, Ashwa Reddy, Sri Devi. Okay, right. Yogesh Kumar, Preeti, Lokesh, yes. Gopalam, Sri Harisha, Karthik, Harshita, right. Harisha, right. Sumit Reddy. Okay, I would like to share one important information to you. So please do concentrate on the concept itself only and the problems. So don't chart the personal issues in the chart box. Better regarding to the problem. So you need to discuss. That's only. So our discussion should be confined to the our subject matter itself only. And moreover, one thing. May God bless you, Harsha, Sri Harsha. Okay. Chalama Shastri, good morning. Good morning, Sri Harsha. Abhi. Okay. Okay, now, okay, leave it now. On behalf of all, actually, I wished Sri Harsha, being his birthday, even Sachin Tendulkar's birthday also today we are celebrating. The great legend, cricketer. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I think if anybody uh, deviate this chart rules, our ground rules, so he will be uh, kept aside. Okay, right. Right. The sound level will be increased later, don't worry. Okay, clear sound now. Okay, let us start now. So change of axis. So one question here, why do we need change of axis? This is the first question. Anybody give the answer? Why do we need change of axis? Why do we need change of axis? Why do we need change of axis? Okay, let me give equation to any curve, equation to the locus of a locus equation to the locus is a curve. So whose equation is generally whose equation is in the form of s equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So we know that. So that means actually now, in order to study the properties of any curve means it may be pair of straight lines, pair of straight lines, or parabola, I will write this shape, or ellipse, or hyperbola, or rectangular hyperbola. In order to study the properties of these two, this equation contains how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms it contains. So as it contains 6 terms means it is somewhat difficult to study the properties of the any curve, any curve. So in order to actually, without changing its identity, we need to change this equation, we need to convert it. So that means if you are able to convert this form, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus something c1 is equal to 0. Now how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. Otherwise this can be converted like this: ax square plus by square plus c1 equals to 0. Or it may be converted to 2hxy plus c1 equals to 0. In three forms, either first form or second form or third form, the same equation can be changed. So with the help of change of axis. So that's why we need the change of axis. So that means we need change of axis means, in order to put this one actually here, first degree terms have been eliminated. In order to put this form, here also first degree terms has been first degree terms has been put aside. Even actually here in this case, second degree terms also have been eliminated. So in order to eliminate first degree terms, or in order to eliminate second degree terms, we require change of axis, change of axis. So that means now, so let's have a discussion. How many types of change of axis is there? So that means let us discuss. We have types of change of axis, change of axis, or this may be called transformation of axis, transformation of axis, transformation of axis. So we have the first one is translation of axis, translation of axis. Second one we have rotation of axis, rotation of axis. And next one is general transformation, general transformation. General transformation means translation of axis is followed by rotation of axis, or rotation of axis is followed by translation of axis. Both will be included in general transformation. Generally we discuss the translation of axis and rotation of axis only, but according to the competitive entrance examination, sometimes only we discuss about the general transformations. So that means let us concentrate on here translation of axis and rotation of axis. So now what is the translation of axis? So now the translation of axis. Let's have a discussion of translation of axis. See, for example, this is the virginal axis. This is the virginal axis. Understood now? So for example, here okay, you draw a line segment here. Here also you draw it now. Okay. Okay. So now if you observe this one, here this origin is shifted to this point, so now you say this is capital X, this is say something point, you can say A point, say this is capital Y. So now the new axis is formed. That means actually here what happens now here, so without changing the directions of the axis, see the direction of the original axis like this, new axis also same. So the direction of the y-axis same as the original axis. So that means actually if you just translate this origin to this point, so without changing the directions of the original axis, that transformation is called translation of axis. Understood now? So that means translation of axis means, so we shift the origin to the point in the plane without changing the directions of the original axis. Then the transformation is called, that is translation of axis. Right. So now first one is translation of axis. So what is the translation of axis means? Shifting the origin to any point in the plane without changing the directions of the axis is called translation of axis. So that means now let us come to again this point. So for example you take a point here. See, what are the coordinates of this point now actually here? The coordinates of this point will be, see, the coordinates of these points will be, see, this is 12 and 6. This is 12 comma 6. In accordance with the, this is the old axis. Okay, old axis. So this is a new axis. Now this 12 comma 6 will change in accordance with the new axis. Understood now? So that means now these coordinates are 12 comma 6 are with respect to the original axis. That means now here 12 comma 6 is with respect to old system. But according to the this system, new system, these coordinates must change. Now here actually A point. What are the coordinates of A? Coordinates of A are actually here 8, 2. 8, 2. So now with respect to this one, now we need to find out. Here see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. That means this point becomes like this. 3, 2 with respect to the new axis. 3, 2 with respect to the new axis. So now let us see if the origin is shifted to other point without disturbing or changing the directions of the x-axis, then the coordinates actually will change. That means the new coordinates we get it with respect to the new system. Now let us discuss how to find out the new coordinates with respect to the new system. So let's have a discussion now. So for example here see if origin is shifted to h comma k, the point h comma k, then new coordinates are, that means capital X comma capital Y equal to, we get like this. So otherwise we can write like this also. For example, new coordinates are x comma y, virginal coordinates are old coordinates. Virginal coordinates small x comma y. This is the new origin. This will be the new coordinates with reference to the new system. Small x comma y is the, actually this is coordinates with respect to the old system, original system. Then this small x is equal to, we can write capital X plus h, and the small y is equal to, we can write capital Y plus k. So these are called equations of transformation. Equations of transformation. So what are the equations of transformations in translation of axis? So that means small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. So this can be remembered using some cheat code. I will explain some cheat code to you. So what is the code means, you remember that code. I will give another color. So you remember this one, organic chemistry, OC. Are you following? Organic chemistry is not the numerical chemistry, but it has big origin. That means very simple concept. Original coordinates is equal to new coordinates plus origin. So that means you see here original coordinates, that means actually x comma y equal to new coordinates capital X comma capital Y plus, now the origin is shifted to h comma k. Just like matrices, these two are the matrices. Now we get capital X plus h minus capital Y plus k. You need not remember this formula. Simple, with the help of this one we can find out, solve all the problems related to the translation of axis. So all of you remember once again, organic chemistry is not numerical chemistry, it has big origin. So OC is equal to NC plus O. You remember this one. So that means now let us come to this problem. Now here see, what are the points actually here? 12 comma 6. origin is actually what point you have, this is 8 comma 2. See, let us find out now here. 12 comma 6, 12 comma 6. See, that means old coordinates are 12 comma 6, origin is equal to 8 comma 2. Now you need to find out the new coordinates. New coordinates means very simple, old coordinates minus origin. This, from old coordinates subtract this one, you will get 12 minus 8 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 comma 4 is the new coordinates. So like that easily we can find out. Okay, understood now? So now the second concept. The point to which the origin is to be shifted so as to, or in order to, so as to remove first degree terms in ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So now we need to find out the point to which the origin is to be shifted in order to remove the first degree terms in this equation. That means we need to actually eliminate these two terms. Then to which point the origin is to be shifted in the translation of axis, that origin we need to find out. For example, origin is h comma k, or we can say x1 comma y1. We need to find out. For that one, actually we follow this process now. Let us say this curve is f, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, you say like this. So first find out partial derivative with respect to x, dou f by dou x. Dou f by dou x is equal to x square differentiation is 2x, we get 2ax plus 2hy into differentiation of x is 1 plus by square differentiation 0, 2gx differentiation 2g, 2fy 0, c 0. So now we get this is 2ax plus 2hy plus 2g. 2 common, we have ax plus hy plus g. Okay. So now let us find out dou f by dou y. Partial differentiate with respect to y. 0 plus 2hx into y differentiation 1. So b into 2y plus 2gx differentiation 0 plus 2f into 1, 2f plus 0. So this equals to 2hx plus 2by plus 2f. Take 2 common. We get hx plus by plus f. So next part, now equate dou f by dou x equals to 0. We get now ax plus hy plus g equals to 0, say equation 1, and dou f by dou y equals to 0. Now we get this is hx plus by plus f is equal to 0. This is second one now. Okay, now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. So that means how to solve this one now. Here see the cross multiplication method. hg ah bf hb. Here say x1 y1 and 1. So this we can write x1 divided by the determinant of hg bf, that is hf minus bg, equals to y1 upon the determinant of this matrix gh minus af, equal to 1 divided by, so determinant of this one, ab minus h square. So we get now x1 comma y1 is equal to hf minus bg by ab minus h square gh minus af by ab minus h square. So this is the point the origin is to be shifted so as to remove the first degree terms. And one more thing, okay, so that means one more thing, these equations very simple, you can remember. A handsome guy, ahg, a handsome guy, that means ax plus hy plus g is equal to 0, has best friend hx plus by plus f, gone for cinema gfc. You remember this one, even total conic section and pair of straight line problems can be completed. Understood now? So now the point to which the origin is to be shifted so as to remove the first degree terms in ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is, now you can remember, that is x1 comma y1 is equal to, or h comma k also you can say, hf minus bg by ab minus h square and gh minus af by ab minus h square. Here you remember h square does not equal to ab. So now next point, important point, if the origin is shifted to x1 comma y1 so as to eliminate first degree terms in ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Then the transformed equation, then the transformed equation, then the transformed equation is, that means if the origin is shifted to this point, then definitely this equation will change. The transformed new equation you need to find out the equation with respect to the new axis. So that will be ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus, you remember this one, gone for cinema, gx1 plus fy1 plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation. Okay. So now let us go to the right. Okay, now I'll change the, wait now 1 minute. It's okay now? Okay. Right. So now let us come to the, let's have a discussion on fourth point. Fourth point. The point to which the origin is to be shifted so as to remove first degree terms in ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is. Now we need to find out this one now. So we need to find out. Okay. So now let us say this f equals to ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Let us find out dou f by dou x. Dou f by dou x is equal to, I am writing directly 2ax 0 plus 2g 0 plus 0. Here we have 2 common, ax plus g. Now dou f by dou y you find out. So that is 0 plus 2by 0 plus 2f plus 0. So this will be 2 common. We have by plus f. So in order to find out, Okay, now in order to find out here, dou f by dou x is equated to 0. So we get ax plus g equals to 0, x equals to minus g by a, dou f by dou y equals to 0. That implies here by plus f is equal to 0. So we get now y is equal to minus f by b. So that means now we get point is minus g by a comma minus f by b. So this you remember, it's very important while solving the problems. So I cannot do anything actually. I tried my level best. You may be getting. Okay. So now minus g by a comma minus f by b. Understood now. So let us move to next concept. Fifth concept. The point to which the origin is to be shifted so as to remove first degree terms in 2hxy plus 2gx 2fy plus c equals to 0 is. For example, if the equation is like this, then what is the point to which the origin is to be shifted? That we need to evaluate it now. Okay. Okay, use earphones. Better. So now let us say f is equal to 2hxy 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Find dou f by dou x. So differentiate with respect to x partially. Yes, here good. Okay, this will be 2hy into 1 plus 2g into 1 2g plus 0 plus 0. Here 2 common hy plus g. Next find dou f by dou y. So that means find the partial differentiation of f with respect to y now. So that means now here you get 2hx into y differentiation 1, 2gx 0, 2f into y differentiation 1, c 0. So 2 common we have hx plus f. In order to find out the new origin, dou f by dou x equated to 0 and dou f by dou y is equated to 0. So if you equate, you will get now here dou f by dou x is equal to 0 means you get y equals to minus g by h. Here x is equal to minus f by h. So now here we can write formula minus f by h. This will be minus g by h. This you remember. Transformed equation will be in this form. 2xy plus constant is equal to 0. That means if you shift the origin to this point, the equation becomes like this. Only two terms it becomes. Right. Yes, in general basically use this formula, but we can derive the formula using partial differentiation itself only. Partial differentiation is very easy method. Very easy method. Right. So next. So now for example, okay, now you take another line segment. Okay, now axis this axis are rotated through an angle theta. Now you get this is the origin, for example say O, OX and OY. This is called rotation of axis. Rotation of axis. That means if the axes are rotated with an angle of theta in an anti-clockwise direction, so without changing the axis, without shifting the origin, so without shifting the origin, if you rotate the axis with a some angle, that is called rotation of axis. Understood now? So now, so we shall move to the next concept now. So rotation of axis. Rotation of axis. For example, let the axes are rotated through an angle theta without disturbing origin, without shifting the origin. So then we can follow the coordinates, we can find out like this. So this is new coordinates, capital X, capital Y. This you take small x, small y. This will be new, this will be old coordinates. So now you can remember like this. This is cos theta. Theta is the rotation, angle of rotation. Cos theta differentiation with respect to theta, write down. Minus sin theta. Here sin theta. Here sin theta differentiation, cos theta, write down. So that means here we get the equations like this. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. This is one of the way. Even we can write capital X also. New coordinates if you want to find out. Small x cos theta plus small y sin theta. And capital Y equals to minus x sin theta, small x sin theta plus small y cos theta. So with the help of this table, so easily we can find out the new coordinates, old coordinates, if the axes are rotated through an angle theta. So you need to remember this one. This is very, very important. Next point. The angle through which the axis ought to be rotated so as to remove or eliminate second degree terms or xy term in ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is theta is equal to of tan inverse of if a equals to b. This is very, very important. Please remember this one. Very, very important. So one more important point I will discuss. For example, this ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is put in this form, the first form. What is the form? X is equal to c form. Then angle of rotation theta is given by the formula tan inverse of b by a. Same this is put in the form of y is equal to something c, then angle of rotation theta is equal to tan inverse minus a by b. So these are the concepts, so we need to remember while doing the problems. I hope you might have followed all the instructions, all the concepts, whatever I have given regarding to the translation of axis. Have you understood all of you now? Okay. Thank you. So now let us solve the problems now. Let us proceed for the problems. So problem number 1. Origin is shifted. Origin is shifted to the point without changing the directions or direction of the axis then 4, 3 is transformed to or changed to transformed to. First option 3, 1. Second option we have 5, 5. Third option we have -3, -1. Fourth option we have 2, -1. This is the question. Question is very lengthy, but answer is only just 1 second. We will complete it now. So now origin is shifted to this point. This is the new origin. So now these are old coordinates. So that means generally you can say like this: h, k is 1, 2. Small x, y, original coordinates 4, 3. Now the new coordinates capital X, capital Y we need to find out. So we have small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. But we need capital X. Capital X is equal to small x minus h. That means what is small x? 4 minus 1. That will be 1. Therefore, capital X, y is equal to 3, 1. But easiest method, shortcut method. What is the shortcut method means? Organic chemistry is not numerical chemistry. It has big origin. So new coordinates is equal to old coordinates minus origin. Old coordinates are 4, 3 minus origin shifted to 1, 2. Just like difference of the matrices, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 3, 1. This is tip, easy tip. So first option is the right option. Okay. Right. Next we go for next problem. Second question. If the point 3, minus 2, 3, minus 2 transformed to minus 2, 1 when origin shifted to P, or origin is shifted. Origin is shifted to P. That means point P. Then P is equal to. Then P is equal to. First option 3, 2. Second option 5, minus 3. Third option is 2, minus 3. Fourth option we have minus 1, 2. First we need to decide in the given question what are given here. That is very important criteria, need to be remembered. If the point 3, minus 2 is changed to minus 2, 1, that means these are the original coordinates, these are the new coordinates. So by virtue of shifting the origin to the point P, now that means origin we need to find out. Here solution, both methods I will do. This is shortcut method, this original method. We have small x comma y is equal to capital X comma y plus h comma k. This we have. Small x comma y means actually 3, minus 2 equal to here capital X comma y minus 2, 1 plus h comma k. We need to find out h comma k is P. Suppose say this is P point. So P equals to 3, minus 2 and minus 2, 1. So this will be 3 minus of minus 3 plus 2 and minus 2 minus 1. That will be 5, minus 3. Or easy method. Let us proceed for tip. What is the tip? OC, original coordinates is equal to new coordinates plus origin. So origin is P. So P is equal to old coordinates minus new coordinates. That means you need to subtract this one from this one. So that's why we get here 3 minus of minus 3 plus 2, comma, minus 2 minus 1. Answer is 5, minus 3. So second option is the right option. So that means actually these are all old original coordinates, this new coordinates, this is the origin. Oh, origin we need to find out. One minute. Okay. Now let us move to the third problem now. Third problem. So first let us discuss about the problem first. If 7, 5 are the coordinates of P in the new system, when the origin is shifted to is shifted to -5, 3. Then the virginal coordinates of P are first option -1, 2, second option 1, -5, third option is 2, 8, fourth option 4, 1. So let us do directly now. Already we have practiced. See, this 7, 5 are the coordinates of the P in the new system. That means these are new coordinates. When the origin is shifted to this point, this is origin. Now the original coordinates of P, OC, you need to find out. We have the tip old coordinates is equal to new coordinates plus origin. What we need to find out? Original coordinates. New coordinates is 7, 5 plus origin is -5, 3. Adding these two, what do you get now here? 7 minus 5, 5 plus 3. That is 2, 8 is the required coordinates. So third option. Sridhar. Okay, one time is enough, Sridhar. Sridhar, you might be new to my class. One time is enough. Okay. Fourth problem. If cos alpha, cos beta are new coordinates of P when the axes are translated to the point 1, 1. Then the virginal coordinates of PR. So we need to find out virginal coordinates of P. First option 2 cos square alpha by 2, 2 cos square beta by 2. Second option 2 sin square alpha by 2, 2 sin square beta by 2. Third option 2 cos alpha by 2, 2 cos beta by 2. And fourth option we have 2 sin of alpha by 2, 2 sin of beta by 2. This is the problem. Right. Thank you. See, the cos alpha, cos beta are new coordinates. That means this is NC, numerical chemistry. Axes are translated to the point. This is the origin. Now the virginal coordinates. That means actually we need to find out OC. So what is the relation we have? OC is equal to NC plus origin. Okay. That means now you need to add that all. New coordinates is cos alpha cos beta plus origin. Origin shifted to 1 comma 1. That's all. You get 1 plus cos alpha comma 1 plus cos beta. Just 1 plus cos theta formula write down. That is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square alpha by 2 comma 2 cos square beta by 2. That's all. It's very simple. So first option 1 is correct. Okay. So once again to all the viewers, please do not chart your personals. Or actually what I have observed means you will be giving your phone numbers and etc. Don't give like that, because now the situation is not good. So because during this situation better concentrate on the subject itself only. Right. So if anybody like that, you will be kept aside. Right. Fifth problem. To remove x and y terms of the equation, that means first degree terms of the equation 14x square minus 4xy plus 11y square minus 36x plus 48y plus 41 equals to 0. The shifted origin is first option 1 comma 3, fourth option you have 1 comma minus 2. That means we need to find out the point to which the origin is to be shifted so as to remove the first degree terms of 14x square minus 4xy plus 11y square minus 36x. Methods, formula method or minus 9. That means one equation will be 7x minus y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. You substitute the options in this one. Verification. First option 7 minus 3 minus 9 does not equal to 0. So first option is not correct. Go to second option. So minus 28 and minus 3 minus 9. This does not equal to 0. Second option has been eliminated. Go to third option. So minus 7 minus 2 minus 9 does not equal to 0. Third option has been eliminated. Go to fourth option. 7 plus 2 minus 9. 9 minus 9. 0. Yes. So fourth option is the right option. Okay, 1 minute. I will check it now. Yes, good. Okay, connection is good. Right, now let us move to the next question now. For example, you may have one doubt. So what is the doubt means? For example, if 2 or 3 options will satisfy the one equation, then what shall we do? Then we need to find out dou f by dou I is equal to 0. In that equation, the remaining two options are to be checked. At that time, only one option will satisfy. That will be the final answer. That need to be done instead of solving this problem. Next one, sixth question. To remove the first degree terms of the equation 2xy plus 4x minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. The shifted origin is this will be formula is easy, better than partial differentiation also. 2 comma minus 1, second option will be minus 1 comma 2, third option will be 1 comma minus 2, fourth option will be minus 2 comma 1. C, to remove the first degree terms of the equation. So if you compare this equation to comparing with 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. 2h equals to 2, 2g equals to 4, 2f equals to minus 2. Now h will be 1, g will be 2, f will be minus 1. Now the shifted origin is equal to formula we have minus f upon h minus g upon h. So that means minus of minus plus 1 by h 1 minus 2 by h is 1. This will be 1 comma minus 2. So third option is the right option. So Narendra, you are new. Okay, you need to subscribe first. Right. Seventh question. The point to which the origin is to be shifted to eliminate x and y terms of the equation 4x square plus 9y square minus 8x plus 36y plus 4 is equal to 0. First option is 1 comma 3. Second option is minus 4 comma 3. Third option is minus 1 comma 2. Fourth option is 1 comma minus 2. This is the question. So why are you missing, Srinivas? The point to which the origin is to be shifted so as to remove first degree terms in this equation. So this can be done actually 4 ways, but one of the ways is actually formula method is better for this one. See, comparing with ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Here a equals to 4, b equals to 9. Am I correct now? 2g is equal to minus 8. Directly I will write g equals to minus 4. 2f is equal to 36. F is equal to 18. Now the origin formula. Origin to be shifted, origin is equal to minus g by a comma minus f by b. What does g stands for? Minus g, minus into minus, plus 4 upon 4. F is 18 minus f, minus 18 by b, b is 9. So we have 1 comma minus 2. So, sorry. Wait. This is third option. So, our option will be fourth option. Nazir Gold, you seem to be new. You need to subscribe. Saida, yourself also. Preeti. Lakshmaya is enough. One time. Eighth problem. When 0 comma 0, that means origin shifted to 2 comma minus 2, the transformed equation of x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equals to 9 is first option x square plus y square is equal to 9. Second option x square plus 3y square is equal to 9. Third option x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y equals to 0. Fourth option 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 36. When 0 comma 0 shifted to 2 comma minus 2, the transformed equation of x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 9 is. So that means actually here the equation with respect to the new axis we need to find out. If the origin is shifted to the point 2 comma minus 2, new origin is 2 comma minus 2, that means with reference to the new axis the equation definitely will change. The new equation need to be evaluated here. So that means here solution we have, so small x comma y is equal to, we have this relation x comma y plus h comma k. This small x comma y is equal to, we can write x plus h. Here capital X, this will be 2 comma 2. So capital X plus 2 comma capital Y minus 2. So that means in the place of small x you substitute this value, in the place of small y you substitute this one. Now transformed equation is, so capital X plus 2 minus 2 whole square plus capital Y minus 2 plus 2 whole square equal to 9. Plus 2 square plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. We have capital X square plus capital Y square is equal to 9. No problem. Generally the locus you will write, that will be x square plus y square is equal to 9. Either it may be in capital letters or small letters, no problem. So first option is the right option. Okay. So what's your doubt, Srinu? So Arshit Reddy, today only you joined. Okay. Sir, can I give more important to second year syllabus for EAMCET? No, not at all like that. I already analyzed the question paper. First year and second year will be given same weightage. So ninth, if the axis are rotated through an angle of 45 degrees and the point P has new coordinates 2 root 2 comma root 2, then the virginal coordinates of P are, first option 1 comma 3, second option is minus 1 comma 3, third option 3 comma 1, fourth option we have 3 comma 3. Sir, could you please bring more videos on cracking sums in 30 seconds? I'm new in our channel, by the way. Okay, thank you. So because that can be applicable for only few problems, Nana, because I need to give the content also. So that's why I started content. So that can be done later. Okay, axes are rotated through an angle of 45 degrees. That means this problem is related to rotation of axis. Theta is equal to 45 degrees given, and the new coordinates are given. That means capital X comma capital Y equal to 2 root 2 comma root 2, and original coordinates. Original coordinates means small x comma small y we need to find out. See, we have the box. Let us write. So what is the box we have? Relationship box. Capital X capital Y, small x small y. This is cos theta. This is minus sin theta. This is sin theta.